Division composed of Associate Justice myself, Associate Justice Ronald B. Moreno, and Associate Justice Fritz Brian Anthony M. De Los Santos, issued today, July 6, 2026, warrants of arrest and hold departure order in criminal case E-SB-26-CRM-0018 for plunder against Senator Rodante Dizon Marcoleta, Michael Tan Defensor, Joseph Varias Espiritu, and Aristotel Baluyot Viray. The issuance of the warrant of arrest signifies only that after evaluating the records, the court found probable cause to believe that the accused committed the offense charged. Probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest exists when the facts and circumstances would lead a reasonably discreet and prudent person to believe that an offense has been committed by the person sought to be arrested. Let me stress, yung warrant of arrest does not constitute a determination of guilt. Hindi pa guilty yan. All the accused continue to enjoy the constitutional presumption of innocence until their guilt is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Again, the court's proceedings are governed solely by the Constitution, the applicable laws, and the evidence properly presented before it.
Another day, another pasiatan sa kita mga bossing. Anong masasabi natin? Comment down below and please share.
I'm sick and tired of this dirty war politics.